what's going on? What's up? It's your boy. And yeah, so this morning, I just woke up at about 9:30, 9:55, around there, to drive all the way up to Newport Richey, which was about an hour drive for me to pick up a new air intake for my G35. So then it took me another 30 minutes to drive back down to my mechanic because we're also gonna put this on and clean my throttle body because, you know, I have 100,000 miles. I'm pretty sure the owner before me did not do that, so we're gonna take care of that. And yeah, right now we're about to pull up to my mechanic and I'll let you know how this goes. Hopefully it fits right, hopefully everything goes right and I don't need to fucking find or get an extra part, extra fit, man, or do something extra out of my way, bro, because, no. But, alright, see it. Go. Alright. So, yeah, there it is. I kind of wanted her to rev the car up to like a higher RPM so I can try to see if I can get the intake to whistle, but that didn't happen. So yeah, but I mean, it's all good anyway. There's the intake, and now on to the next segment. All right, so now as I'm just sitting here editing this video, it was like, well, that's the intake for the car, and I was gonna leave this out for a special segment, but now I was like, I might as well do the whole, you know, basic everybody does first package, which is the intake and exhaust modification. So here we are. I am going to show you my me getting a muffler delete and a resonator delete. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Here you go. Cover you here. Okay, so right here after this part, my initial thoughts were like, wow, is this how loud my car is gonna be? Like, what's going on here? So, kind of wasn't too excited after I heard it, but here's the other clips. Here you go. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Twitter. And yeah, stay tuned, and I'll get another video out to you guys hopefully soon and on time this time. So yeah, see it.